Tutorial number 12, Lens Control for Canon EF Mount Lenses. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. With this tutorial, we'll explain how to control Canon EF lenses with our pco.camware. Some PCO cameras can be equipped with remote EF lens control. This lens adapter was developed by PCO for applications where the camera is far away from the PC or the operations staff. It allows to control the focus and the aperture of almost all lenses with the Canon EF lens mount via remote. After you have connected the EF lens control to your camera and open up pco.camware, you can access the remote lens control panel via the camera properties section. In the top bar, you can find a small icon showing an aperture and a toothed wheel. Once you hit this icon, the control panel will open. Please be aware that the EF lens control is now initializing the attached lens. Therefore, the startup will take a few seconds, and the lens will run through the available focus range quickly. The remote lens control section is self-explaining. You can adjust the focus and the aperture range with the help of the sliders by using your left mouse key. If you prefer, you can also select the slider you want to adjust and simply use the arrow keys up and down or left and right to set your focus and aperture. That's all about camera EF lens control. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.